How to set Threads notification preferences. You can adjust your notification setting in Threads. So first of all, simply open your Threads. Then simply go to your profile section and tap on the menu icon. And from here you'll be able to go to the notification panel. From here you'll be able to control all of your notification on this device. And if you want to pause all the notifications, simply tap on this icon and you'll be able to push notification for how long, anywhere you like. Let's say for example 15 minutes and you won't get any notification. Now if you want a notification from threads and replies, simply tap on here and select from whom you want. For example, from everyone, likes, comments, replies. You can also select for mention, tags, repost, posts, and everything. So here are a lot of categories you can always select on, from everyone, from people you follow, and or if you simply just want to turn it off. And you can also categorize from following and followers, custom feeds, and from threads, and in this way you can control whatever you like. And that's it, guys. From here you'll be able to set Threads notification preferences custom to you. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.